Hello everyone, spent Saturday with this family of 7. We started out the day with doing hair, and then we went to the country, lived the country life for a couple of hours, came back home and started decluttering and organizing my bathroom. And it's Saturday morning. You see the younger 3 are coming downstairs. They always come downstairs between 6:30 and 7. I believe it was 6:30 around this time. I know it was before 7, so they're coming down the stairs now, and they're just gonna climb into the bed with us, and then eventually the older 2 will wake up. I believe they were up by 7:30, and since they were up, I started the process of taking the braids and beads and all that out of their hair. I did get some coffee. I really love this peppermint mocha from Starbucks, and then I'm going to add some Italian cream because I did not have white chocolate, so this is a nice substitute. I started with the 0 sugar and then I ran out, so I went to the Walmart brand, and I also added heavy cream. Just gives it a nice rich flavor. It was really good to help me start my day as a mother of 5, a pregnant mother of 5 at that. And so here's me doing Kara's hair. Now her hair is done. My husband took them to the store, everyone except for Evelyn, because I needed to do Ava's hair. When he got back, he brought Chick-fil-A, which I thought was really sweet of him because I was hungry. But here I'm doing Ava's hair. Now her hair is done. Cute little style. You could tell she really liked it. She was shaking her hair and acting like it was in her way all day. And now I'm doing Graceland's hair. And then when I finished Grace's hair, I asked my husband if he wanted to go to the country. And that was a no-brainer because that's where his family is. So now we are on our way to the country. You see he's asleep, but I actually prefer driving when I'm pregnant sometimes, so I've offered to drive. Everyone's asleep except for the older 3 in the back.
Are we there yet? Not yet. Are we there yet?
And so yeah, here's pregnant me driving, and we're finally at our destination. Kara, say hi. Hi. You wanna roll your sleeves up? It's hot out here now. Hold my hand. There you go, man. There you go. It's not super hot. It's just the sun is out. But it's a little breeze, so it's not hot. You got a pecan? Matt, what you say? You said hi. You're just trying to learn who y'all are. We ended up making 2 stops. One was 30 minutes away, and then we had to drive 15 minutes down the road from that one. So it took us 45 minutes to get back home, but we made it. And as soon as I got home, I just decided to start cleaning. So the kids were washing when I first started, or bathing when I first started, and I just started off by restocking some of our Q-tips as well as cotton balls, and then I just proceeded to clean the counter. I did a lot of decluttering because I don't even know why some of the items were on the counter to begin with, but I'm pretty sure my kids had something to do with it because they're in my bathroom, not all day, but they are in the bathroom quite often for whatever reason. My daughter likes to come in here and organize things. She takes things from underneath, like my sprays and body washes, and puts them on the counter, and then I'm like, no, Grace, you have to put that back down. But yeah, so sometimes my counter can become cluttered just with a lot of different things. It's a daily thing. I feel like decluttering is definitely a daily thing. It can be, depending on the amount of people you have in your home, or just different factors. Like sometimes you'll put something on a counter and you'll be like, how did this even get here, and why is it here? And so sometimes my husband puts things on the counter and he probably just forgets to remove them right. And so yeah, it's always something to declutter in my home for sure. But yeah, I'm just kind of removing stuff. A lot of times I'm in other parts of the house, so I don't get to spend as much time cleaning this area. So I try to clean as I go. My bathtub and shower are cleaned often, along with my toilet. I don't really clean the toilet right now because it's quite challenging. So thankfully my husband doesn't mind cleaning the toilet for me. And he had just cleaned it like a day or two ago, so I didn't have to worry too much about that. I love the fresh scent of Microban. It's a really nice scent, but then I also like some of the Myers scents. This one is a lavender scent, but it looks like my husband put something else in it because he likes to do that from time to time. So some of my sprays are mixed, and so you'll see me get Microban a little bit later because though this one still smelled pretty decent, I like the Microban better, so I just went and found it and started using that. But yeah, you see Grace has joined me now because she likes to help clean. She doesn't volunteer to clean unless she sees me cleaning, which is totally fine with me. But sometimes if I say, hey Grace, can you go pick that up for me, she's kind of like, eh. So I just find that when I'm cleaning, they really do enjoy helping or assisting in any way they can. Even my son right there, which I think it's important for him to learn to clean as well, because he'll probably be on his own one day and he'll just need to learn how to cook and clean and things like that, so he won't have to depend on somebody else to do it for him. But of course he can always come to mom's house for a plate. I'm not sure I'll go over there and clean, but hey, you never know, right? So I love to clean, so I probably wouldn't mind cleaning when he does move out. But it's like a long ways away, but not really, because they grow so fast, don't they? I cannot believe he is already 8. Wow, time flies. And being that I had children back to back, I just feel like he just kind of grew so fast and I miss so much time. Even though I'm very present in their lives, right? You know, sometimes you can focus on the other kids and stuff. So I do make a point of spending time with each child, especially him, because he'll be the first one out of the house, but he's a great help. We actually had to go somewhere today. I did tell him to back up, y'all, but we had to go somewhere today, and there was another little baby there, and the lady said she could tell that, you know, he has help before, because he pays attention to what babies need and things like that. So that's great about him, and all my kids do, really. They really do have each other's back, and I love that about them. But back to cleaning, I do try to keep a clean home. Of course, it can be challenging with having so many kids, so I do take days out of the week to clean certain items. I try to make sure my kitchen is clean every night, but sometimes like areas like the bathroom can go lacking, like my countertop. But like I said, I do try to keep my toilet clean as well as my shower and my tub, because now that I don't necessarily like going upstairs, the girls especially will take a bath in my tub, so I just try to make sure I keep that clean, especially as well as the shower. And so yeah, now I'm just kind of getting to the countertop and just making sure it stays clean. And you see, they really love to help. You see Kara's over there. Kara, she kind of helps and then she kind of doesn't. I think she likes to help because she'll see the other two helping, so if she sees them doing something, then she wants to do it. But there are times when she wants to play, but she's only 3, so you know, I don't expect too much, but it's good that she's wanting to start. But Kara is actually really great at folding washcloths and towels. She folds them just like me, to be honest, and I love that about her. They all 3 of my girls have something that they're really, really good at. I think Ava's probably going to be the cook of the family, even though I'm pretty sure my other 2 will be good cooks also. I feel like Ava might be the chef, because as soon as she sees me in the kitchen, she'll say, "Mommy, what you cooking?" And she'll come in there. She's ready to help. Sometimes she'll get a little upset if I don't want help, but I try to make sure I always give her something to do, because she does like to help me cook. And yeah, now we're just kind of cleaning out the tub. I love this extended cleaner. It helps me out a lot, especially being pregnant, right? I don't have to worry about bending down too much. There was a Barbie shoe and Grace asked me if I could pick it up for her, so of course I'm like, sure. But yeah, I like this tool right here. I do use it. I've had it for about almost a month now, and it works great because I don't necessarily have to ask Bill to help me clean the tub. So I'm very grateful for this. I use it maybe 2 or 3 times a week, like I said, because the girls do take baths in here. So I try to use it to help clean up. And there I am using the microban. I'm out of the like soapy cleaner, but I'll be purchasing some more soon because I do like the foaming cleaner. So I'll be purchasing some of that soon. Of course, I try not to spray too much because I am pregnant, and so I try to use more gentle cleaners. And my husband is also really good about helping if I'm just having a day where I don't want to do too much as far as cleaning. He's really good about helping with that. You see, everyone's here kind of pitching in. Kara, she's just being Kara, but the older ones are helping. Kara helps when she feels like it, which is fine because, like I said, she's only 3. And you see Grace is over there playing with a Barbie doll or a baby doll. And Bill is playing with Kara there. And I think I went in my room and got this dress and just decided to fold it because I did have some clothes that I needed to fold. But yeah, that's kind of what we're doing right here. And then Ava starts to play and she just kind of completely stopped cleaning, which is fine because they are kids, right? And so you can't expect too much of them. And when I do ask them to complete a task, they mostly complete it. They're really good about that. So I'm very grateful for them. But yeah, they're just kind of playing with the baby here. It looks like Ava is mad about something, but now Ava's back to cleaning because she wanted to help me sweep. So she did that for me for a little bit before she went back to playing with the baby. But like I said, every little bit helps. You see Grace is here kind of straightening up, and now she's playing with Kara, who is pretending to do something. Who knows? But look at how Ava was sweeping over there. She was doing really good. And then Bill kind of came in and finished. I noticed that there was still something over there, so you're going to see me sweep over there again. It's probably because the chair was in the way. You probably couldn't really see it right. So I just proceeded to clean up over there. I'm not sure where Will is. I think he was cleaning up his room. Yes, I do believe he was cleaning up his room. So like I said, they're all doing something before church in the morning. And here's how it looks. And then you're going to see me iron. And Bill is going to read a story to the girls while I'm ironing.
And what does the race car sound like?
A big bubble. It rain.
So soon turtle is turtle, rabbit is rabbit, and fox is fox. Do you know why the paint came off of them?
Because it's raining.
The rain. So they were no longer the tiger, the race car, or the robot. They are now who they originally are. All done.